Hi guys, I'm Ruelha. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate and review my new Pigeon Induction Cooktop, which is actually worth 3,195, but I paid only 1,050 rupees. I got it at a great deal, so that's why I bought it. And it came with a 1-year warranty card as well. It's very lightweight, which I really like, so you can actually travel with it. I actually weighed it on my kitchen scale and it was just 1.5 kg. But I'm not very happy with the cord. You see, it's not very lengthy. So we're ready to turn it on now. Here we go. I switched it on. I'm gonna put something over it. That's just plain water. I switched it on. It automatically goes to 1,000 watts. That's pre-selected. However, you have these many function options, preset modes. The first one is idli, which is 1,000 watts. Second is deep frying, very high heat at 1,800. Then you have the dosa or chapati mode for 1,200 watts, and you can heat milk on a very gentle, mild setting of 80 watts. Curry, it goes to 1,200. If you want to saute something, it's just 160 watts. And to pressure cook again, you get 1,000 watts. You can hear the sound, okay, the fan at the back. It's quite noticeable, but it is not annoying. It's tolerable. If you don't want these preset functions, you can manually go to a high setting of 1,100, and the lowest manual setting you can do is 400 watts. So 400 to 1,800. You have a timer out here as well. You can set it from 1 second, or you can go on to whatever you want. That's how you set it. So this pot of water will automatically stop being heated after 10 seconds. If you notice, this thing is pretty hot already. It's way faster than your traditional gas. You gotta be careful even when you turn it off. Now you see I've turned it off. This thing, it comes with a caution, which is very true, because this is still kind of hot even after. So this part, this gets kind of hot, so you gotta be careful. If we've seen the demo, but we're wondering what kind of cookware would be induction compatible. You see, most of the non-sticks available nowadays are already induction safe. Just look for the sign at the back though. If you have steelware that is flat bottom like this one, and it can attract a magnet of decent strength, see the magnet's not falling off, that's my fridge magnet, you can use this. What you can't use is steelware that is copper bottom. This is round and it does not even attract a magnet. See the magnet, same magnet's falling right off, so you can't use that. You cannot use earthenware, you cannot use aluminium. Still quite happy with my purchase because it is efficient, it is very quick, it's a lot quicker than my gas stovetop. It is very lightweight, so I can carry it around, and it's easy to clean. Look at this, it's flat. It's so easy to clean. And if there's a problem, you have a troubleshooting guide at the back, which is in a very convenient location, because you don't have to scramble looking for help when you need it. I'd like to remind you that my review is completely unbiased, because I'm not getting compensated for it from anybody. I'm not promoting any product. I purchased this for my personal use, and I'm telling you my experience. So please like my video, share it, please post your comments if you think I could have done something better, or if you have any suggestions for me, I'm all yours. So until we meet again, bye.